Okay, sorry, I'm at the little low light here, and I can't really shine the light to the thing itself, because this is what would happen. You see what would happen? Some guy actually said, oh, he have a light, but he's not shining at it. Well, if he ever do filming, that's what would happen, okay? Anyway, I'm going to send this to him. See what happened? You can't see anything. You have to shine the light away from it. Okay. You see that little screw? Right there. I just take that off. I took a piece of metal. And then I just wrap it. And it looks something like that right there. Just drill a hole. If you don't have holes, these have holes already. So what I did was, I just put a hole right there, and then I just screw that screw right back. Then you would just bend it upward right here and bend it up. So as you crank, as you want to stop, you just touch this, and the metal here, touch this, and it stops it. And it's easy as that. Quick, easy, and simple. Okay? And for this part right here, in case I don't want to get shock, so what I did was I put in a heat shrink. You see that? So that's a heat shrink. On top of that, if you don't have any heat shrink or something like that, you can just wrap tape around that. But make sure this part here will touch the spark plug, because that's the key to this. All you have to do is take this part here and touch metal, and it'll shut off. That's the ground itself. So you're actually grounding this out. Okay? It's easy as that. So cut a piece of metal, take this piece off, or anywhere, and then you can actually, if you don't have that hole, let's say if you don't even have that hole, you can just drill a little piece right here and do the same thing. Same thing. You're just grounding it out. That's the secret to that. Okay? So all you have to do is cut a piece from here, go up a little bit, high a little bit, so it won't touch. You see that? Because touching is, you're going to grounding out. They call it grounding it out. Basically, you're just sending this spark to the engine itself. That's what that basically is. So remember, this will work on all generators. This will work even on car too. Yes. Any engine. All it is what you're doing is that you're grounding it out. That's all there is. Okay? So, take a piece of metal, drill it out, and cut it, and just measure what you want. Okay? It'll probably be even better if you put this underneath here, so it will look even better. But in my case, I didn't care. I don't care about looks as long as it works. So that's why I put it there. But when you take this off, you can actually put it underneath there and then put this on top. That would look nice too if you want to make it look nice, okay? But in my case, like I said, I don't care. So I just put a double piece, because this is this piece is from like a ceiling thing. And I had a piece laying around. So I just cut that. Go up a little bit higher than this right here, okay? So, because when you touch it, if you look really close, one more time before I end the video, when you touch it, see that? That's it. And that's grounding it out, okay? And when you're not working on something, that's what you do. Just leave it like that. So that way it won't. You can actually push it all the way down, as long as it doesn't touch, okay? And then I put this on top of here, the heat shrink, so that way, in case it doesn't hurt me or anything. Do you know what I mean? So that's all I did, and that's the easiest way to make a a kill switch or shut off switch or whatever. But that's how you do it. And then you just, let's say I wanted to shut off. Let's say the engine's running right now, and I want to shut off. I just take my finger and I press on it for just 2 seconds, and boom, it'll shut off on its own. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video. And I hope it's helpful to you. And this will help. Actually, this video is going to help a lot of other people as well. Other than that, that's about it on this video. And I will see you in the next video. Okay?